Okay, so when I do meditation, I usually sit down, but now I can sit on the chair because of I want to show you why. So just
I'm in the chair. There's fire right behind me.
really okay. So the one candle behind you and one candle you can put it in here, like and other table. Just like that. So when you do candle treatment, the one candle is on your back, one candle in the front, so you can have to put your thumb close to, like sometimes you feel on your fingertip, like sometimes you have nabi problem, so then you can put this finger close to the fire, it's clear out. And the third candle, you take like that. So one candle is here, one candle in the back, and you already set up this candle and mother picture. So why I'm sitting here, because I just want to show you the face. Otherwise you have to sit front of Shri Mataji. So what happened, so we have to work clockwise. Because when we working on ourselves, we working clockwise. But when we working on the other people, so we working anti-clock. So the clockwise, just like that. But when you work with the other people on the back, then you do anti-clock. So when you do, like suppose you start from the Swadhisthana chakra, and then you have to know the mantra, like. So this is the, you do the mantra, or if you don't know the mantra yet, it's okay. But still you can do, because see why we doing like that one? Because when we get the self-realization, when the Kundalini go up, our chakra spin. You can, I'll show you the video today and how the chakra spin when the Kundalini go up. So what we doing, like when we do like that, so we helping to spin that chakra with the heat. Because this side you need a heat, because it's left side. So when we do like that one, because the chakra is spinning already, because with your Kundalini, and you helping to spin more, to clear out that chakra. So that's what we do. So then you can move to the Nabhi chakra here, so you can work in here, then you go to the heart chakra clockwise, and then you go to the Vishuddhi chakra like that, and then go to the hair on Agya chakra, because Agya chakra is getting cross. The left side is going there, because the channel goes to the right and the right goes to the left. See in here is cross, like it's go there, because see like this channel goes to this side. So that's why when we clean the Agya chakra, we're going to the left, right side, because the right side is the left Agya here. And then you can clean on the back Agya like that, like just like a half arc. It's like, that's what we do. And the other thing you can do, now after that, you can do like that for the whole left side. Even if you don't know in the beginning, you can do only like that. Just go from the left, go all the way to right, because the Agya chakra is here. So then you come back, just like that. So that's what.
How many times?
It doesn't matter, like it's not many times. It's you just feel like if you get tired or something. So it depends, like sometimes you feel your chakra is just clearing out, then you can do a little bit more. So like if you have itchy in here, like slowly it's going slow, going away. So then you can do a little more, or you can do. So that's what. But you have to know, do you really need this candle treatment or not? Because that's what you have to learn. You really right-sided person or left-sided? Suppose if you are left-sided, right-sided person, and you're working on the left side, and you're giving more heat to your body. So you have to find out also, okay, which side I have to work. So that's what, like, because last year I didn't teach that much deeply, but now I'm telling you a little bit more every time. I never tell about candle treatment and what so I tell, but now I just giving the demonstration. So today we